Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another weekly live stream. I'm so glad you're here because today we're talking about something that can truly set your business up for success next year. Why Q4 is the best time to set up your QuickBooks. Okay, let's get in it. Now, I know most people think the last quarter of the year is all about wrapping things up, not starting something new, but when it comes to your bookkeeping, Q4 is actually one of the smartest times to get your financial systems in order, right? So basically, let me paint you a picture. Imagine it's January, you're ready to tackle a new year, excited to grow your business, but your books are still a mess from last year. You can't see what you earned, where your money went, or how much you owe in taxes. It's January. Now we're building some overwhelm. That's what most business owners experience when they wait until tax season to start cleanup. So if you take the time now in Q4, quarter four, to organize your books or even set them up properly for the first time, you're giving yourself the biggest gift: clarity and control. Nice gift. Tis the season, right? So I'm going to now go over the three different reasons. So here's why. One, you can make smarter year-end decisions. Maybe you can hire somebody, maybe we can outsource. When your books are up to date, you can actually see your profits and expenses and make decisions that might save you money on taxes this year for next year. Maybe you need to purchase equipment, pay yourself, or delay certain expenses. But you can't do that without accurate numbers. You'll start the new year strong. That'll be the second reason. No more catch up, bookkeeping in January. You'll be ready to focus on growth and planning right from day one. Number three would be it reduces tax season stress. We don't want the tax season stress. We're going to be ready for tax season to hit. Let's be honest, tax season is stressful enough. Having your book organized now means your accountant or bookkeeper can file faster, cleaner, and without surprises. Yeah. So if you've been putting off setting up your bookkeeping system, whether it's QuickBooks, online, or any other tool, Q4 is the perfect time to do this. Okay. So if you're thinking, okay, but where do I start? Here's what I recommend. Number one, we're going to reconcile all your bank and credit card accounts up to September. So from January up until September, or wherever you're starting from up until September. You're going to want to categorize your income and expenses properly. Then you're going to also want to review your chart of accounts and make sure it matches your business type. And if you're not using a system like QuickBooks, get one set up before the year flips over. And if you already have QuickBooks, but things look messy, a cleanup this quarter will save you hours and possibly dollars later. So let's look at what else we can go over. We did have a few questions that come through a lot that I just want to go over. First question is, let me pull up my banner. Why can't I just wait until January to set up my books? Because by then you're missed the chance to take year-end tax adjustments. Setting up in Q4 lets you see your numbers early, catch missing expenses, and plan your taxes strategically. Next question I have is, if my books are messy, then right now, should I clean them up or start fresh next year? It depends how bad they are, but ideally clean them up now. That way you carry accurate data into the new year instead of dragging mistakes forward. Next question is, what's the biggest benefit of starting your bookkeeping before the year end? It's about paying yourself. It would be nice to get a nice bonus, right? As an owner. Well, basically, peace of mind. You know exactly where your business stands financially. That's number one. And that means better decisions, fewer surprises, and a much smoother tax season. We're all about smoother tax season. Over here, I'm also about paying yourself because you know how when you go on an air flight, they said, make sure you breathe. Like you put the mask on yourself. You have to do the same thing as a business. So we can see if you are making some pay. But Q4 isn't just the holiday sale. It's your window to get financially organized and start the new year ahead of the game. Okay? If you need help setting up or cleaning up your books before 2026, reach out. We do have the capacity right now to do this. And my team and I can guide you through it step by step. You can book a discovery call through my bio or visit Faith Accounting Consulting Services to get started today. Okay? So thanks for tuning in. I'm going to see you all next week, Monday, for another live. Bye. Yay.